असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
See the next one. Here we have some salts. We are going to identify the formula of these salts. Okay. So see the first one. The name of the salt of the first one is potassium sulfate. What is the formula of the potassium sulfate? Well, potassium sulfate, the formula is K2SO4. Okay. And sodium sulfate, the formula of the sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. Next, calcium sulfate, this is CaSO4. Next, the fourth one is a magnesium sulfate. Magnesium is a Mg and sulfate is a SO4. So magnesium sulfate is MgSO4. And copper sulfate. Copper is Cu and sulfate is a SO4. So this is CuSO4. And next, come to sixth one, sodium chloride. This sodium is a Na and chloride is a Cl. So NaCl is the formula for sodium chloride. And the next, sodium nitrate. So sodium is Na and nitrate is NO3. So the formula of sodium nitrate is NaNO3. And next, sodium carbonate. Sodium is Na and carbonate is a CO3. So Na2CO3 is a sodium carbonate. And ammonium chloride. Ammonium, the formula of ammonia is NH3 and ammonium is a NH4. So NH4Cl. So these are some of the salts and their formulas. Okay. Before we are finding the salts and their formulas. What is meant by salt actually? We know salts are reaction from acids and bases. When an acid is reacts with base, we will get the products are salt and water. So before I gave some formulas, right? The salt formulas. Here I will write this. So the name of the salts are here. So these salts are obtained from which type of acids and bases? From which acids and bases we can find these salts? See here, the first one is a potassium sulfate. So what is the acid and base? Here we will use, that is, to prepare potassium sulfate, we'll use the parent acid as a sulfuric acid. And the base is potassium hydroxide. By reacting of sulfuric acid with potassium hydroxide, we'll get potassium sulfate and water. Okay. So this salt is obtained from the parent acid as a sulfuric acid and parent base as a potassium hydroxide. Okay. And come to the next one, sodium sulfate. So to prepare sodium sulfate, which type of acid and base we will use? So nothing but here, to prepare this sodium sulfate salt, we will take the parent acid, that is sulfuric acid, and base is a sodium hydroxide. And next one, calcium sulfate. To prepare this calcium sulfate, we need to take the acid sulfuric acid and the base is a calcium hydroxide. Okay, and next magnesium sulfate. For this we'll use the acid sulfuric acid and base is a magnesium hydroxide. And next copper sulfate. So for this the acid is a sulfuric acid and the parent base is a copper hydroxide. Yes, we have some more salts are here. So here I'll rub this. See here, the sixth one is a sodium chloride. The name of the salt is sodium chloride, and for this sodium chloride the parent acid is a hydrochloric acid. And the parent base is a sodium hydroxide. And next sodium nitrate. To prepare this salt we need to take acid is a nitric acid and base is a sodium hydroxide. And next, here the name of the salt is sodium carbonate, and one more we have, that is ammonium chloride. Now for this sodium carbonate we need to take the acid as a carbonic acid and the base is a sodium hydroxide. Finally, ammonium chloride. To prepare this salt we need to take the acid hydrochloric acid and the base is a ammonium hydroxide. Okay, these are some of the common salts. Okay, so here for these salts we are taking the parent acid and parent base. We know when one acid reacts with base it will form salt and water. Okay, before we are finding formulas for some of the salts, and next we are finding the acids and bases. That means from which acid and from which base the salts are obtained. Now we are going to find the salts family among the following. That means the sodium family and chloride salts family, sulfate salts family and carbonate salts family. Here specifically we are saying sodium family, chloride salts family, family of sulfate salts, family of carbonate salts. Why we are giving some names here specifically? Because in that salt, the name which we are identifying here, that will be present. So that's why we are seeing here sodium family, family of chloride salts, family of sulfate salts and family of carbonate salts. Yes? So you can see here sodium family. Here I gave some examples. Na2SO4, NaCl, NaNO3, Na2CO3. So here Na is common in all the formulae. That means this is a sodium, sodium sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate and sodium carbonate. So that's why we are calling all these formulas belongs to sodium family. Yes? And next one, family of chloride salts. Here sodium chloride and ammonium chloride. So in these two chlorine is a common. Yes, that's why we are calling those two as a family of chloride salts. And family of sulfate salts. See here potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate. So in all the formulae, sulfate is common. So that's why we are calling all these compounds or they belongs to family of sulfate salts. And finally, family of carbonate salts. Sodium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate. So in all these three, carbonate is a common. Yes? So we can say that these three belongs to carbonate salts family. Yes? So the family of salts means the number of positive ions and the number of negative ions are equal. So then we can say that the compounds are belongs to family of salts. Right? So the number of positive ions and the number of negative ions must be equal. So positive ions and negative ions means nothing but cations and anions. Yes? So you can observe here 4 types of different families of salts. So in all these examples, the number of positive ions and the number of negative ions are equal. That's why we are calling this as a family of salts. Yes?